Hey, this is Tim, Southwest Ohio Bees, doing something a little bit different today other than the bees. As you recall, my bridges were washed out here recently. They are a mess. In fact, if you can see, that's what's left of one bridge. Um, hey, on top of it, I've got some bees moving in to one of my swarm hives. This is what's remaining of another bridge. As you can see, it's being held up just barely. Tree down in apiary. Yeah, apiary's a mess right now. Uh, so this bridge here should hold up. This should hold up. Got a lot of concrete, a lot of wood. Uh, got footers I've sunk down in there. I'm going to cut a hole in the fence and create a new path to the backside of my property. Right now I have no way of getting a vehicle other than a UTV to the backside of my property. This will take care of that as well. Not only get me to the other side of the creek here so I can lumber this tree out of the way, take care of my bees, but give me a good means of getting to the backside of my property. So that's what I'm up to this 4th of July. I hope you have a fantastic day. Later.